Hi guys, welcome to Sahrdaya Tech Talk. Today we will be discussing about Keil Microvision software and few of its windows and dialogues. So let's start with a brief intro about Keil Microvision. Keil Microvision is an integrated development environment which has integrated text editor to write programs, a compiler, and it will convert the source code to X file. So basically it has all the things that provide assistance to a embedded program developer, and it's freely available. Watch and call stack window for debugging. The Microvision debugger provides watch and stack call window. The window shows the values of local variables, the values of watch expressions, the call stack of your program. The window has following tabs: local, two watch tabs, and call stack. The local tab displays the local variable of the active function. The contents of this tab changes as the program executes into another function to reflect the new local variable set. There are two watch tabs, watch 1 and watch 2, which are entirely for the user customized watch list. You may add any program variable or data object into these tabs. Then call stack. The call stack tab is the program call tree. The entire code and caller details for subroutine calls are displayed in this tab. This is a screenshot of watch and call stack window. Here you will be able to view the contents of variable, structures and arrays. The watch window allows you to add variables, modify variable values as well as delete these variables. The watch window updates at the end of each execution command. You may enable periodic window update in the view menu to update the watch window during program execution. Next is the symbol window. Symbol window shows the different variables and functions present in the assembly code along with their addresses, name and type. Address can either be data memory address or code memory address. Type indicates whether it's a variable or a function. The different variables supported are unsigned car, bit, unsigned integer, etc. For functions, the window shows the return and parameter type. This is the symbol window for the latest version of Keil Microvision. Here you can see that there is a search box. It allows you to find the symbol names quickly. The search string can consist of alphanumeric characters or mask characters. The symbol names are grouped as virtual registers, special function registers, and program variables. Virtual registers access simulated resources such as input-output pins, UARTs, or CANs. Special function registers access device-specific peripheral registers. Program variables access program symbols such as variables, functions, or parameters. The symbol names are marked with the different icons. A box containing colors yellow, violet, and blue indicates a module. Variable and types are denoted with a blue box. The functions are denoted by a violet box. Function arguments with a blue box preceded by a red arrow. The location shows the memory address or offset, and type shows the symbol type, and for functions it shows the return type. The Keil Microvision debugger provides a code coverage function that marks the code that has been executed. Activating the code coverage option under the View tab of the IDE menu when the execution is at a halted stage, it will give you the details of the instructions in each function or module that has been executed till the break. So code coverage helps to ensure that you have thoroughly tested your application and helps to tune your testing strategy. This is the code coverage dialog box of the Keil Microvision software. The code coverage dialog provides information and stats, like the execution percentage of instructions in a function. Next is the disassembly window. It is used in situations when we are not able to point where the firmware goes into a loop. Such cases we invoke the disassembly window. When we invoke the disassembly window, the firmware execution will be stopped, and in the disassembly window, we can exactly point where the application was looping. This is the disassembly window of Keil Microvision software. You can see that on the left side, lines of code that have been executed are marked with different colors of block. The lines with no code are marked with a light gray block, and the unexecuted lines are marked with a dark gray block, and fully executed lines are marked with a green block. A cyan blue indicates that the condition for this branch instruction has only been true and the branch was always taken. An orange block indicates that the condition for this branch has never been true and the branch was never taken. The last one is the performance analyzer. The performance analyzer support by the Keil IDE helps in calculating the time consumed by a function. To activate this, select the performance analyzer from the debug tab of the IDE menu. A performance analyzer shows execution stats like time and the number of calls of a function or a module. First, the performance analyzer has to be set up using the setup button or the PA command in the command window. The results are displayed as bar graph along with the call time and the information. Then the list sorts itself automatically after a few seconds. The sorting is based on the time consumption. The most time consuming modules or functions are displayed on the top of the list. Stats such as invocation count, minimum time, maximum time, and average time are displayed for specific function or address range. The address range is generated automatically. It shows the time spent executing the code that is not included in the specific function or address range. So that's all for now. Thank you.